Hi, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about window handling in Selenium plus Java. So I'm going to use this tab. So demo QA browsing browser windows. So while clicking on this new tab, it automatically creates a simple and another tab on my old window. So I'm going to handle this two windows on my Selenium. So let me see how we are going to use this. So first, this is my parent window. I'm going to handle from this parent window. While I'm clicking on new tab, it generates a new window. It's my child window from my parent tab. So I'm going to store this parent window as my navigator. So for this, I'm going to create a driver dot get window handle. So difference between window handle and window handles. This window handle focus on the first primary window, which is parent window, and window handles is nothing but all the tabs which is open on our particular application. So I'm going to get only the parent window. So I'm going to get the first prior window. That is a parent window. So I want to store on return type window. So which is so driver dot get window handles return type is string. I'm going to store a string return. So parent window, we can store it as parent window. Now we have a parent window on our Selenium script. Now I'm going to get or I'm going to click on a particular task which I'm going to get a child or another tab. So for this I want to click which is script. So I'm going to use this particular ID which is tab bar. So driver dot find element by dot ID. So which is ID I'm going to use. So the task is I want to click. So click. So from my parent window, I'm going to open my next tab, which is child window. So now I have two tabs. All the functional based things like clicking, performing is on the parent window. We are not till now we are not going to give all the functional part to the child window. So for that, so we want to get both the windows. In collections, we have set. So with that set, we are going to use. So the type is string. So I'm going to get all windows equal to. So driver dot, which is get window handles. So all the windows now has been stored in the set event type, which is all windows. So in this, I'm going to iterate it. So there is a constant iterator. This is also string yeah, equal to all windows dot iterate. This two tabs. So all window contains two tabs. This two tabs will be iterators where we are going to pass some conditions like while itr dot has next. So why we are giving this? Because if iterator doesn't contains or all windows doesn't contains any other tab, it only contains a single tab. So for an example, If I'm pressing new tab, but it doesn't open any other tab, so we are going to perform a condition. So based on that condition, it's going to be performed. So we are passing ITR as contains some other tabs. So in this particular scenario, we are going to store our next tab in the child window. So for that, ITR dot next. So this is going to be my child window. That is in child window. So the prayer tab is parent window, and the next tab is obviously the child window. We are going to store. So next, we are going to check the condition if parent window dot equals child window. So it should not be true, right? This condition should not be true. So I'm just passing not so. If parent window is not equal to child window, we want to go. If it is same, so what is the purpose of using window handle? We can perform on the same tab, right? So if parent window dot equals child window is not okay, then driver dot switch to dot window. I'm going to pass the child window. So in this statement, we are giving all the functional part, which is clicking, pressing, giving the text, all this to the child window. Now we are going to perform everything in our child window. So in this child window, we don't have any particular task, right? So we can get the text according to it. So we are going to get only this particular text part. Text one, ID, we are getting one of one. So we are going to cache this and we are going to store on this. So driver dot random dot export, which I'm going to pass this and dot. So in this one. So now we have a driver dot find element. So I'm going to get only the text on that particular window. So now we can run the program. So before that, before that, now we can run the program. So it got saved. and now it's going to run. So we have the stop button. Okay. Okay. So here we have a new tab. Okay. Getting opening on browser windows. Okay. Here we have the new tab, but it didn't get maximized. We want to wait until it loads. Okay. Where it got maximized. So it opens the child window. So now on console, we got that this is a simple page. So we have system.out.print. So we have get the sample page. So here is my query. So once I have done on my child window, now I want to go back to my parent window. How we can pass it? So I have to give again the switch to method, which is driver dot switch to dot window. So this parent window. So now we can pass through our child window. But in this scenario, we have stored at a string return type, right? So what string return type or this reference variable contains? So let me print and see. We can pass parent window on this particular. Okay. So on child window. So we have stored child window, right? So now we can pass parent window. Window. Okay. So it should be navigate to child window and again it come back to parent window. And while printing child window and parent window, we want to get something right. So you will see what it differs on the console. So we can run again, it again on the stop bar. So it is running. So we can wait until. So at this time we can recap on that script about what. So it opens on browser windows, which is our tab. Okay, it got maximized. It comes back to our parent window. So now we are moving to our console. Here we are getting some unique IDs. So this parent window or this particular window we have, right? This window has some unique ID. This window has some unique ID. So this unique ID is being storing on this. return type and this reference variable. So parent window contains this ID and child window contains this set of ID. This is window handling. Thank you.